Over 5 million people use Squarespace to build their website. But Squarespace isn't just a website platform. It's also a selling platform. And most businesses are not using it that way. If you're running a business that uses Squarespace, you probably have a beautiful website. It's kind of their thing. But when it comes to actually taking money, booking clients, sending invoices, selling memberships, delivering what people paid for, it is very likely that you are duct taping together a bunch of different tools. And that's fine, but if you already have a website on Squarespace, it's worth knowing what it can actually handle before you go looking elsewhere. Hi, I'm Kelsey Gilbert-Kreiling. I am the creator of Week of the Website and the author of Squarespace from Sign Up to Launch. Today, I'm going to break down all the different ways that you can sell on Squarespace. Acuity Scheduling. The most obvious one is booking. Squarespace has Acuity Scheduling. They acquired it back in 2019, and now it's the unified scheduling tool for the platform. Think Calendly for the website you already have. Appointments, group classes, packages, add-ons, intake forms, gift cards. If you sell your time, this is where it all starts. Invoicing and payments. You can actually send invoices directly from Squarespace. You can create them, you can track them, you can add payment, you can create recurring invoices for retainers. All of this goes through Squarespace Payments. It's their native processor. And that means you have one dashboard, no third-party tool juggling. You can also send payment links to collect money quickly and easily from your clients. Squarespace Payments is newer, and they're adding functionality to this all the time. So it's an interesting time to get involved with the product. Products and digital goods. You can sell physical products, obviously, but Squarespace also offers digital downloads, templates, guides, PDFs, audio files, and the ability for folks to book services. Businesses often forget that they can package what they know and sell it alongside what they do. Memberships and gated content. So, member areas lets you gate content behind a login. You can create monthly memberships. You can provide one-time access. You could build a paid video library or a members-only blog. It is a great way to build a little universe just for your paying clients. Courses. If the idea of building and customizing a full online course on a tool like Teachable or Kajabi is really overwhelming, courses might be the perfect place for you to start. My own course uses this tool, and it is a great way to monetize your knowledge. I'm going to be honest, it's not a full course platform, but for delivering resources, building a community, or giving clients a place to access their stuff, it really works. Events and tickets. Okay, this one's trickier. Squarespace doesn't have native ticketing built in the way that it has scheduling or invoicing. If you're selling tickets to events or workshops or pop-ups, you have had to probably go outside the platform using something like Eventbrite or Ticketailor. That's why I'm actually building Eventually. It's a ticketing tool made specifically for Squarespace. More on that another time. Here's the bigger picture. Squarespace has an entire selling layer that most people don't fully explore. Booking, invoicing, payments, service and digital products, courses, memberships, and more. You don't have to use all of it. But I do think it helps to know what's there so that when you're ready to add a revenue stream or simplify your stack, you're not starting from scratch. I know I've thrown a lot at you today. There are so many different ways that you can use this tool, and I'm excited to go deeper on all of them with you. So if there's something you want to learn more about, throw a comment down there. And listen, if you liked and subscribed to this channel, it would not be the worst thing.